Hello everyone. Like and subscribe and smash that bell icon. So what about today's topic? I got an idea. But it's a surprise for you. Follow me. Hello there, my friend.
Hello there.
Is it ready?
Yes it is.
So, I am going to be talking about a refrigerator, and also sorry for that I waited you for too long, sorry. Fact 1. In the early 1950s most refrigerators were white. In the mid-1950s designers and manufacturers start creating colorful refrigerators. Fact 2. Albert Einstein is the co-inventor of the refrigerator. Fact 3. Refrigerators are one of the longest lasting appliances. Fact 4. Refrigerator spends about 10% of the total electricity. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon.